Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new customers from Square to Shopify? With ZZBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for new customers in Square and then automatically sync them over as new customers in Shopify. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In ZZBots, click the Install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Square account. Next, set up the connection with your Shopify account. After your accounts are connected, click Next and Install Now. After clicking Done, you will be redirected to the Bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings, although further customization is optional. You can test this sync by adding a few new customers in Square. In ZZBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs new customers from Square to Shopify. As you can see here, the new customers from Square successfully synced over to Shopify. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com and we'll be happy to help you.